Hello and welcome to yet another Eaglemoss 3D printer build along video.
Update.
Yes, this is an update video. We finally got some parts.
Yes.
Which is rather nice.
It is nice. Well, I suppose better quickly go into what you need parts for.
Yes.
So really, ideally, you show that one.
Yeah.
Which is the MCU. Basically an Arduino ramps board sort of thing.
Yes.
Sort of, you know what I mean? It's got an Arduino chip on it. And it's got these step motor drive boards. That's the first one we ever got. Second, third, fourth one. That one's got a short on it.
Yes.
And it blew them three.
Mm.
It blew the Arduino chip, which has killed this whole
Yeah.
board. And it didn't stop there.
No, we didn't.
It blew the motor test driver board as well, the original one. This is one that ends up being for doing the LEDs.
Yes.
So they've sent us, so far,
2 new boards.
2 new boards. We've got one set motor drive board and the original motor test drive board, but then turns into the LED board.
Yes.
Well, I'm just going to take the case off that for the moment and plug this little board in so we can give it a test. We have the original power supply for it. Now, for those that watched our original update,
Yes.
and the problem, I found if you meter these between ground and step,
Yeah.
you can actually, if you get a resistance or a complete short, don't plug it in because it takes stuff out.
Sure does.
So luckily, what I've done, I should have done it on camera, I didn't, but I've tested this one.
Yeah.
When it come in, because we actually got the magazines as well, which we don't need.
No.
So if anyone wants them, they can have them, because they've actually got usable codes in them for getting the 3D print apart.
Yes.
You can, you know, they're models that they've put up during the series.
Yeah.
So if anyone wants them, they can have the magazines, and the codes are unused.
Yes.
And they're not going to be used, and if nobody wants them, they're going to the bin.
Yeah.
Recycling. So, anyway, so you test this. We want to check that nothing else is gone. And I haven't actually tried this yet. Really haven't actually tried it yet.
Yeah.
This is the X. Now, when we did the old board was on, you said get power. The regulator wasn't actually getting enough power on the output, and the LED was going out really quick, and that was getting hot.
Yeah.
Within seconds, wasn't it?
Yes.
So, theory, as this is the X, it should.
Try to move this up so you can see.
The head. So the step motor's good.
Fortunately, it's a little bit hard to see, guys. But
Did you get it?
yeah, I can see that something's moving. It's just not
Okay, well that's
brilliant. See if I can adjust our line a bit.
Do you want to try it again?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, little movement.
There you go. You can just see in the top there that something is moving.
Right, that's the X axis. Tight to unplug. Right, there's the Y. Oh, there we go. Light coming down.
We have V's of making you talk.
Yes, I know. Right, re-turn it on. And that's the actual.
There you go, that one you can see
That's
nice
the
and clear
Y.
there, guys.
It's not actually noisy, is it?
It's not.
Right. Then carefully unplug that one, and then got one more to do. This just let us know that it didn't take anything else, because unfortunately when we got to this stage, we'd actually virtually finished building the machine, hadn't we?
Yes.
But we hadn't had the outer case built.
Yeah.
And then when you have the outer case, you seal it all off, you don't get dust in it and all this sort of stuff, and you can use it. But before that point, you can actually bypass the hood switch and use it.
Yeah.
So we had it all plugged in, the whole MCU was fully populated and wired up, and then we turned it on and nothing seemed to work properly.
Yes.
So this should be the Z. Make sure I turn it on. Now you won't be able to see that very well. I don't think you can see that brilliantly.
You can see that.
But this actual plate is going down at the moment and then up there. So successful. We have a good working step motor drive board and a good working step motor drive test board, which later on turns to the LED board.
Yes.
We put the new ones in there. The old ones can stay out. We've got a working one at last.
Yes.
Unfortunately, this has been taken apart quite badly.
Yes.
But it's quite handy we've taken it apart, because I don't know if you can zoom into this area, sort of, where you can see where the join in the case is.
You're live?
You can actually see you can move it quite easily.
Yes.
And we had a viewer from Australia said about this, because his doesn't, I mean, that one's clipped in. The other side hasn't actually clipped in. It doesn't seem to work very well. The clips don't work.
Yeah.
But he's asking us, is it like that all the time or not? The answer is no, because when you put the grey plastic that goes in the bottom here, it actually sits in little groove points and screws in from the bottom.
Yes.
It actually holds the sides out and it holds that nice and straight. So don't worry about that at the moment. It is going to be solved later on.
Yes.
Because I think they're quite far behind, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they
Was
just
it
got
issue
50
something?
50 said something like that, he said.
I mean, we've only actually got 2 months worth to turn up.
Yes.
7 actual magazines left to go.
Yeah.
Plus the other 4 parts we need still.
Yes.
Because we need 3 more step motor drive boards and the MCU.
Yeah.
Brand new MCU. Which, in their infinite wisdom, they'll only send out when they've got them available, which obviously they can only do when they've got them available, but with the magazine.
Yeah.
Which we don't need.
We don't need or want the magazine.
Yeah. We cheaper just have the spare parts. I did actually contact them and ask them about parts, spare parts, and can you guess what their actual answer is?
We have plans.
We have
That's
plans.
what I said last time.
Yep, and their plans are
That you buy the magazine.
you go online and you buy the magazine.
Which, bit daft. And
We don't want all that.
we
The
don't
magazine costs money to print.
Yes. And who wants
paper.
50 of the same magazine? Because
You had to keep buying one part.
one part keeps going.
When you look at this, one part was dodgy before we got it,
Yeah.
and that took out,
A lot.
you know, we got what, 4, 5, 6 parts,
Yes.
all dead.
Now, yes, you could say that this most test board was technically our fault. We did put it in there to test to see if which board was gone, which
Yeah.
blew it. But that is common sense, and that's
Yeah.
what it's for.
Well, yeah, that's to test them boards. It tests the boards and the motors.
Yeah.
Which is what it's doing. It's only when I did a lot more investigation that I found this short between the step and ground, and it was a direct short
Yes.
on the board that took everything out, that we noticed, here we go. Which is why this new board, when it arrived, first thing I did was I got the multimeter out and did continuity testing, step and ground. There's absolutely no resistance at all,
Yeah.
so it's good. I was happy to plug it in. If it had a resistance, I'd have told them to take it back and give me, well, they wouldn't take it back, they would take this other stuff back. But I said, right, that's not good, God, I need it again.
Yes. So, unfortunately, that's all we've got time for in this episode.
Yay, freedom.
Just a quick thing as a bit of a channel update as well. We do have another show in the works which will be coming out shortly, which is related to a recent video we done on an unboxing. So if any of you know that video and you've watched that video, you can probably guess what's coming up. But yeah, if you have any suggestions for the
Chili
channel,
Pebbles Revival?
yes.
Oh, excellent. No.
But no, if you have any plans for... Oh,
I think this might end up a cut on the floor.
if you have any suggestions for our channel, as it were, just leave in the comment section below, because we always like to read comments.
We love to have comments, and we do try to answer them.
Yes, to the best of our ability.
Yeah. Don't forget, we're not professionals at this. I mean, yeah, I do hold qualifications in electronics,
Yes,
but I don't in the what the other show is.
yes. The other show is painful
Yeah.
to watch and to do.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yes.
But other than that.
But anyway, that's all the sneak peek you're going to get, and we will see you in whatever the next video you watches.
Bye for now.